Hi, I'm Ashif from PitchMonster. If you're looking for sales onboarding software that gets your reps productive faster, not just gives them more content to click through, here's where the gap usually is and how to close it. Most onboarding programs have great content. Product training, methodology modules, playbook walkthroughs. What they don't have is structured practice. Your rep finishes onboarding knowing the product cold. Then they get on their first real call and the knowledge falls apart under pressure. That's why most reps take 3 to 6 months to ramp. They're practicing on real customers. Okay, let me show you how this works. First, we need to create a new roleplay. We want this to be our first cold call. This is a conversation every new rep has to handle. Next, we want this to be a phone format, and we'll press create. Now let's add in a scenario. We'll press here and press add. We want to do company URL, and we'll paste in an ICP aligned prospect URL. And press generate. This creates an AI persona with context and objections that your new rep needs to handle on their first week on phone calls. Then I build a scenario pack like this. We'll switch it over to discovery call and add in qualifications, product positioning, and of course, common objections. Now your rep is ready to take on a session. New reps can run these sessions from week 1. AI conversations, real objections, a safe environment to mess up in. Just press start recording and training's on the way. Okay, so score on first attempt, 31 out of 100. Did not qualify decision authority, that's -12. Skip pain confirmation, that's another -9. The rep practices certification scenarios as many times as they need. They don't go live until they clear it. And on the manager side, I can see who's passed certification and who's still working through it. No guesswork. Sales onboarding software with practice and certifications built in. Links in description. Open it up, drop in an ICP URL, and run a session. I'm Ashif, check it out.